Hey guys, welcome back to Sharing It. Xiaomi has launched Redmi Note 5 in India and Redmi Note 5 Pro globally. So let's see these devices. I'm Ujjwal Tripathi, you're watching Sharing It. The Redmi Note 5 has a premium metal body, same as Redmi Note 4. It has a 5.99 full screen display. Compared to Redmi Note 4, it has 12.5% bigger display. It also has a battery of 4000 mAh. It comes in 4 variants: gold, rose gold, blue and the black. It is powered by a Snapdragon 625 chipset. The camera is of 12 megapixels with 1.2 nanometer pixels. It also has an LED selfie light. It comes with Corning Gorilla Glass and you will also get a free cover with it. The Redmi Note 5 comes in 2 variants. The first one, 3GB plus 32GB, is of 9,999 rupees and the 4GB plus 64GB is of 11,999 rupees. So you can say that Redmi Note 5 is an India's all-rounder. But wait, it's not over. Xiaomi has also launched Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636. It comes with the latest Cairo micro architecture that is found in Snapdragon 800 series. Cairo is a very high performance CPU. It gives you up to 50% higher performance. The Redmi Note 5 Pro is also powered by the LPDDR4X RAM that is the fastest in the market. It also has up to 6GB RAM. It is the first ever Redmi Note series to have the dual camera setup. It has a 12MP Sony and a 5MP Samsung sensor. It is the first Xiaomi mobile to provide portrait selfies. It is also having an LED selfie light to brighten your selfies. It is also powered by the Beautify 4.0. It also has a face unlock feature, same like Apple and Samsung's. So coming to the price range of the device, the 4GB plus 64GB variant is for 13,999 rupees and the 6GB 64GB variant is for 16,999 rupees. The sales start from Feb 22 on Flipkart and mi.com. Apart from this, MI has also launched MI LED TV that's for 39,999. So comment down now, what do you think about all these devices? Till then, see you in the next video. But wait, have you subscribed to my channel? Click that red button now and do not forget to press that bell button.